bars up and my aim is straight. I lay in the sand, line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. Never trust these thoughts, I'd rather save the day. But if your man is a problem, then we can change the pace. Mom's is worried, I need to change my ways. I maybe cop the crib, I need the redwoods. Break the leaves up from the money trees. Plant the seed right behind the scenes. I painted the dream how I live it. No smart and beware, they venom. I swear that I'm sick of God issues. Sick with the bars, I've been privileged. Bent off a sips of elixir. Bankroll need them commas and digits. My mannered, I'm honest intended. Lay low, not too much for attention. But been had it poppin', I mentioned. This business life, I'm offended. It's cool, yeah, I get it though. That's about how they feel, that's my mood. My lap in the trailer since looking vibrant. They pilot, they know fly shot it. Not much to say about the product goddess. Go ahead and let them decide about me. State of mind that I've acquired. No question, my method can't check on me. That's just the hatred to fuel the fire. Got chillin', no kind. That's just the way we define it. Chase after mine, yeah. Give me my space, watch me in line. Pardon the tone, yeah. That's just the way. Try not to drown, get with the sound, yeah. Catch on the way, try not to drown, yeah. Yeah. This life is sweet, my mood is sour. For what you think you could get a rose and sniff. I'm woke and slit, they really fake. So switch the switch, excuse all the temperament. You could catch me with a riding venom. It's not a phantom, she riding tandem. And I'm the shit, I'm sore, but the flow go tantrum. No matter with the kid, yeah, I'm on to something. Got no kind of chill, lately I don't even build. I mean for real, they know I got skill. I do not have time to kill. The more money I reel in, the more that they feel me is why. But the way that they build this, the reason I fear, spilling my feels. But so what, I'm ranking that skrill. They keeping it trill, it's all for the moment I check off the list of these thrills. I'm trying to see Europe, drop hit with the kid. It's lit if you riding the wheels. Pivot, looking at a premise. That's just how I'm living, put my life on the sentence. Murdering the beat to giving me your life sentence. Only Lord knows what I'm thinking for the minute. So I'm asking for repentance, if the cop of me appended. My lap in the trailer since looking vibrant. The pilot, they know fly shot it. Not much to say about the product goddess. Go ahead and let them decide about me. State of mind that I've acquired. No question, my method can't check on me. That's just the hatred to fuel the fire. Got chillin', no kind. That's just the way we define it. Chase after mine, yeah. Give me my space, watch me in line. Pardon the tone, yeah. That's the way. Try not to drown, get with the sound, yeah. Catch on the way, try not to drown, yeah.
Alright, good morning guys, welcome back to another one. This is fun today. So we are out here at a buddy club open house and swap meet. So got a bunch of just people out here with everything from some turn indicators to some like really rare like wheels and stuff. So today's gonna be fun. There's all sorts of good stuff out here. There's a great variety of cars, some really special ones. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you guys what's here today, and we're gonna have some fun. You guys let me know what you think. Drop those comments below. Say, it's gonna be a fun day today. So you guys drop those comments below, and I'm gonna get at it, and let's go have some fun.
Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Should've seen a look when they saw me. They ain't happy, they just shot. Killed Nipsey, they touched pop. Can't believe that I made it here. Bus rounds in my bus stop. No help, all me, get money on 3 game plan. In the hills, talking real figures. Got hill figure on the waistband. Like 4 bands, 4 hours, fuel efficient. Just know I get it done. Life a dream, life a game, all the same. Look like I really won. Roll the dice, you could bet that. Came back from a setback. Front pocket full of head pack. About to do a show, then I head back. Like, hold up, watch how you talk to me. I be too petty for play. I need my fatty today. Waking up early so I get ahead of the day. It worked for me better that way. Better go get it, you young and you able. They did not save us a seat at the table. I did it all with no help from a label. Came a long way just from stealing that cable. I'm teed up, drip down, save it, sit down, I don't need a cosign, need a new phone line. I think I'm too full of myself and they full of that hatred, they hated to see it. I don't need no help, I'm just being myself and they happen to pay me to be. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Now I can't keep it, that's all me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Should've seen a look when they saw me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Now I can't keep it all me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Should've seen a look when they saw me. They ain't cheering, they just doubting. Kill Sebby, they touch Malcolm. Meanwhile, I bought a Cuban link. I might upgrade it, might bust down it. Shine hard like I'm supposed to. I'm a king in a slum village. When you speaking that real, even those claiming ain't none feel it. I can see the envy. Know he wanna hide it, but it's coming through. I ain't seen nobody before I seen the paper. Who the is you? Mandatory that I keep them guessing. I'm a pop quiz and a potluck. Turn a win to a winning streak just to show these that it's not luck. Pop out, I'm fresh off a plane. Tell him that daddy is home. Truly, he glad to be home. These gravity prone. Tell by the way that he looking, he mad that he on. I've been on 10 with the 10 to the hoes in the market until there's no hoes in my pocket. These tend to be lying and tend to be hating on me, cause I told them to stop it. Totally opposite every opinion. I'm doing whatever I'm feeling. Seem like the only few times when I asked for advice, what they gave me was never appealing. Lately, I feel like the man that I told you one day I would be. They wanna know how I do what I do. Might be something to you, but it's nothing to me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Now I can't keep it all me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Should've seen a look when they saw me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Now I can't keep it all me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me? Should've seen a look when they saw me.
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out to the end. So, what'd you think of that? Buddy Club never opens up like this, so it was cool that they did like a big sale on their own stuff. They hosted the swap meet. There was actually a bunch of good stuff. I mean, there were parts there that you could have picked up just to start a new project car. But there are actually a lot of really good parts there. So you guys let me know what you think. Again, thanks for hanging out to the end. You guys drop those comments below. What cars did you like the best? You know, they had a DJ plan, so I really wasn't able to just like walk through and vlog everything like I like to. So I hope you guys liked it. As always, I appreciate you. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like what I do, hit that subscribe, hit that notification, and we'll keep growing this channel together. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next one. Thanks.